it, moron. Hi, Tessa.
That's weird and concerning.
Like, pilot? That's awesome! I crashed and ruined everything. Spaceship pilot. Origin story.
Quit complicating my murder plan.
Speaking on her behavior...
Of course. Precocious, popular, supernatural understanding of doors takes after her old man.
Uzi, please sit normal.
Bite me!
Uzi, give Brayden back his sentience.
Bite me! Her. I started it, and also I'm dumb.
Uzi, you have to partner up.
Several people wanted to, for the record.
No, he didn't. You freak us out.
But mostly bite me! Ugh, I'm sweaty! Who programmed that?
Hello, Tim. Care to join me?
Join you, standing eerily still over there in suspiciously low resolution?
Yes?
Alright. Genocide robot? Oh, all right. Just don't do it again. Get in here, you goobs.
Where are your folks?
Мертвые. Я смотрела, как они умирали.
That was the joke?
Frickin' ninja star?
You good?
Stop asking! Chainsaw hand time?
Yeah, cool.
Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaking away. Get snuck upon. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow.